Everyone's been talking about Whisper Flow lately, but what if I told you there's a completely free and open source alternative that runs directly on your computer, keeps your voice private, and lets you speak into literally any of the text field? This is Handy Computer. And after testing it, I think this might become one of the most underrated AI productivity tool for creators as well as developers. So the link you will get in the description, and what you have to do is just simply click download for Windows, and even you can explore the other platforms too from here. You can download it accordingly, and once the download has been completed, you just have to open it. Although the file is of just 17.4 MB, till the file is downloading, you can click on subscribe button for more alternative tools like this, and this is completely free. So let me start with the exact setup of this. I will just click next, and I will just click on normal installation. Here you have to select the destination folder, and that is it. The extraction has been started. So finally you can see the installation is successfully completed. I'll just click on next, and the desktop shortcut have been created, and that is it. So basically this is all about the models which you have to select. So as you can see, this is Prakit V3, which is fast and accurate for multi-language. So from here you can choose the transcription model accordingly, and I guess I shall go with most recommended one, and I'll just click on downloading it. And from here you can even download it. You can see there are plenty of the models like Whisper Turbo, which has balanced accuracy and speed. So you will get the accuracy good, but the speed is less, right? So accordingly you can check, like this one. It supports up to 25 European languages. This is something good, okay? And I want you to try this out, and I'm sure that this will increase productivity in your workflow. So the download is in progress, and let's see how it goes. So finally our model is complete. The download of the model has been totally completed, and now let's see. So you get these options here, and what you can do is you can just change the model from here in the model section, and in advanced tab you will get like options where you can unload the model, you can overlay the position, you can even paste and all. Now just go in general, and you have to just transcribe the shortcut here. So basically this is the shortcut key, and for microphone you can just select your microphone which you have, and then just you have to do is push to talk. So as you can see here, I have given the shortcut is control plus shift. Okay, now let's see how it works. So and I'll just click on shortcut, write something for me right now. You can have a look at this. It's working. I want to write my daily schedule here. So the day starts with waking up and then goes on continuously. Okay, so you have to stay clear with your words, and let's try if the whispering is working here or not. So, okay, so on this tool, the whispering doesn't work. Okay, so you have to speak, but as it is the whisper flow alternative, so there might be some options where we have to compromise. So you can't whisper in this mic, okay? So you have to stay clear with your words, and still it works well. And the good thing here is that if you take a look at whisper flow and handy, most of the time, these both look similar on the surface, but both let you speak into any text field using AI voice transcription. But their philosophy is completely different. This Whisper Flow is polished commercial AI product focused on convenience, AI formatting, and cloud syncing and premium workflows. And it uses cloud processing for transcription and offers advanced AI features like command mode and rewriting tools, as you can see here, and follows a subscription model with usage limit on the free plan. But whereas if you go on this handy computer, on the other hand, it is fully free and open source. So your voice stays on your own computer, and there is no paywall, no cloud dependency, on no subscription. It focuses on doing one thing really well: fast, private speech to text directly into any text field. So Whisper Flow feels like an AI productivity ecosystem, while Handy feels like a lightweight, privacy first open source tool. So you can use this for getting rid of typing most of the time, and this is the best tool. So this was for this video. If you are trying this tool, just let me know in the comments, and till that time we'll meet in the next video.